How to fix House Flipper is crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to your library and right click on the game and open up the properties window. Now in the launch options you want to add -dx11 to the launch options and then go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. Now once this is done you can close Steam and then open up your GPU app to get updates. So if you have NVIDIA GPU, you can use the NVIDIA app. Otherwise, you can use the AMD software to update yours. Now, from the drivers tab, you want to make sure that you have the latest driver update installed. And once you have the latest update, you should also install the redistributables and search for redist. Click on the first link and then you should scroll to this table here and download and install the 86 and the 64 installer, both of them. And once you finish installing these, it will ask you to restart your computer. Now after the restart, you want to open up Steam as admin, right click and run as admin, and then just launch the game from your library, and this should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.